What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 0x800701e3. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to basically fix is to go to your search bar and type in disk cleanup until you see this pop up. Once you have this popped up, click into cleanup system files, because this is the one that matters that you're trying to essentially fix. Let's just call it that, right? In here, you want to basically, as you can see over here, not everything is going to be checked. You want the main one, which is the Windows Update Cleanup one, selected. You can click on the other ones as well that you don't want, like temporary internet files, Microsoft Defender antivirus, shader, whatever it may be, right? The rest is pretty much small anyways. The biggest one, as you can see, is the Windows Update Cleanup. You want to basically click into that, press OK, and let this process essentially run. Once you've done that, you should be good to go once you do this. But if for whatever reason this still doesn't fix it for you, the next thing you can do is go to your search bar and type in CMD, right click into and run as administrator. In here, you're going to basically type in sfc /scan now and let this process work. As you're going to see, it's going to take some time. Let this process work, and once it's done, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it.